Hey guys, James Wachob in Memphis, Tennessee. I'm a real estate investor and I get this question a lot. James, what exactly do you do? So there's three parts to my business. The first one is acquisitions. I always tell my team, if you don't buy something, the next step's not gonna happen. So ibuyyourhouse.com is set up to go out and meet people that need to sell a property in as-is condition or quickly, and we make offers to buy houses daily. So we buy houses and then we renovate them, or in this case, build a brand new house on the lot that we bought, and then we sell it to an out-of-state investor or local investor through turnkeyinvest.com. So turnkeyinvest.com allows an investor from anywhere around the world to buy houses in Memphis, Tennessee, and we have the entire team that you need to succeed as an investor with turnkeyinvest.com. And the real critical piece, if it's a rental property, is property management. So Foundation Property Management is our in-house property management company that manages for investors all around the world and my personal portfolio. My goal with Foundation Property Management and our motto to our investor is, I manage your rental properties as if they were my own. So if you have any questions about investing in Memphis, Tennessee, please reach out to me and the team. We'd love to talk to you. The bonus room. The bonus room is the area over the garage. A lot of builders would leave this attic, and I think that's wasted space. But what we did is we threw in a closet, and it has windows. So technically it's a bedroom. To have a bedroom as a count for the appraisal, you need a closet and a window. So upstairs, we saw the bonus room. We've got a bedroom 2, bedroom 3, and a full bath. So this would give, 2 kids, a bonus room, a playroom. There's a lot of flexibility upstairs in this house. Let's take it downstairs now and see the master bedroom, living area, and kitchen. So right off of the front door, you come into a very open living room, hard surface floors throughout. And in the kitchen, we went ahead and put stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, and blinds on every window. An open concept, gooseneck faucet, blinds on the window, like I said, stainless steel appliances. We did a espresso cabinet, Dallas white granite, and nickel light fixtures. All right, guys, so we're in the breakfast area right off of the kitchen. As we flow this way, you'll see a half bath, a walk-in laundry room, which is really nice, master bath, and the double car garage. All right guys, thanks for watching this video, but if you're interested in learning more about what we do, check out this video, or maybe this one. If you really want to see me take a deep dive into some more content from our rental properties, check out one of these videos.